What is up, you guys? Back at you with another video, and today it's a little bit of a different one, and it's been a while since my last upload. This is just a general channel update. It's the second one I've ever done since the history of YouTube. So, what are the updates? First thing, several milestones have been hit in the past couple of weeks. The first one I want to address is we hit 550 subs. That's incredible. Mine is blown. You guys are outstanding. I can't explain in words how much that means to me, and I appreciate you guys and your words of encouragement, whether it's in the comment section, DMs, or message me on Discord, anything like that, and the help guys and input, because you know, I've been learning as I've been doing this hobby, and some of you guys have been doing this for years, and you've had very insightful help and experience, so I appreciate you guys. The second milestone we hit is actually 50 people on our Discord channel, and if you don't know what Discord is, hey, go check the link down below. It's really free and simple. We sign up and the server is free, and you can talk with people in sorts of different channels and discussions in every subject area you want, whether you want to nerd, geek out, need some help 3D printing, or just want to show off your stuff, or just talk life. It's all there for you guys. I've had personally help there, and I've helped other people there. So if you want to get more of a one-on-one experience with the channel, the community, go definitely check that out for sure. So yeah, that's freaking awesome. 50 people there. I really enjoy engaging with guys on one-on-one. So what does the future of the Anton Talks Tech Channel hold? So I've got some great milestones. What do we have planned? What's going on with the uploads? Because you guys may have noticed I've uploaded a little bit less. Actually going through a move currently. As of recording of this video, we are 10 days away. I'm 10 days away from moving. It's exciting, but it's a busy time, a little bit of a hectic time, hence I've not been uploading or really been able to 3D print because all the stuff is in boxes. But that's going to open a lot of opportunities and a great new stuff. You're going to see higher quality content, hopefully. We're going to have a whole studio set up just for YouTube, and I'm going to have even a worker shop that I'll show you guys the whole tour. So you'll be seeing two videos I'm going to address, kind of a vlog style. Won't be 3D printing. It'll be kind of a step back, the next one, just showing off the new place, empty really, and you guys maybe can see the potential. And then we're going to get a head down on the Iron Man project. I'm determined to finish that suit ASAP. While that project going on, I hope to finish it in about a month or 2 months. Maybe we'll see. I may be pretty ambitious, but I really want to finish that project. And intermixed with it, we'll have some other just fun, random 3D prints, and a couple of exciting secret projects I have, and some ideas going on in the background, and I'll sometimes substitute those for Iron Man videos. So this won't be an Iron Man only channel. Definitely a lot of fun stuff excited to do for y'all. So that's what you can see, and then probably once I'm settled in a month after that, another vlog style update of the setup, and you guys can see all that. If you enjoy getting this kind of more in-person engagement, I highly recommend you guys check me out on Instagram. I show some pictures there in the backgrounds, you can see that, or Discord, where you guys DM me and see what's going on. And but yeah, guys, I appreciate you so much. I never would have thought, it's been about 3 months since started uploading on this channel, that it would grow to something this big so quickly. But I've loved every second of it. The future holds plenty of opportunities, so stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next one.